Tyler, can you tell us what our lesson was about today at our children's church?
Do not judge James 21-25.
Amen. And then what our lesson, that's the title of our lesson, but what did our lesson tell us about judging others? Did y'all hear him?
Judge your own house.
Yes.
Let's give the children our undivided attention.
Amen. Say it again for me. What did God tell us about
Judge yourself before you're somebody else.
Amen.
And Jasmine, in James chapter 1, 22-25, what did God tell us to what?
God told us to not to be hearers, to be doers.
Okay.
Amen.
Okay. And sincere, what did God tell us when people, instead of us judging others, what can we do instead of judging others?
Pray for them.
Yeah.
Okay, and Jason, are we always going to do the right thing by God as Christians? No. But what can we do if we fall short? What did God tell us we can do? That's my little shy friend.
Somebody help her? Uh-oh.
Repent.
All right.
Amen. Amen.
Good evening, church.
Good evening.
And the kids did something different today. They have a worksheet in their hand. And what it was dealing with matching Bible scriptures together. And it was dealing with, do not judge, basically with judging others to how to look on your life and not judge others. So they did that today.
Amen.
Beautiful.
Amen.
Beautiful.